Hello everyone, this is Zainab, summer intern under Lexis and Company. So, in today's video, we will discuss about the three-child policy implemented by China, what was the history, why did they did so, and any other thing. So, let's start with our video. So, right after the formation of People's Republic of China in 1949, they started taking measures for child population control and family planning and etc. many things. But they were slow until the death of Mao Zedong in 1976. But after his death, leaders realized that China needed a serious implementation to control the population, because by the end of 20th century the population of China will increase to 1 billion. So in 1978 they started with the one child policy, that in one family only one child is allowed and they will be given incentives, and if they give child to more than give birth to more than one child, so they'll have to give fines and all. But in rural areas what happened कि लोग वहाँ पे सुनते नहीं हैं, so they were giving birth to more than one child, like 2 child 3 child, so and तो उसकी वजह से बहुत issues आने लगे. And but in rural areas government allowed more than one child only on the basis that the first child is a girl. Okay, अगर लड़की है तो ही तुम दूसरा बच्चा पैदा कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज नो, यू आर नॉट अलाउड इन रूरल एरियाज ओनली, बट इन अर्बन एरियाज देयर वाज नथिंग एज सच. सो ड्यू टू दिस क्या हुआ कि चाइना की डेमोग्राफिक कंडीशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ गया, बिकॉज द फर्टिलिटी रेट डिक्रीज्ड एंड द एजड पॉपुलेशन ऑफ चाइना इंक्रीज्ड. like Japan, they are becoming the aged country now, China also, like Italy and many other countries. So what happened कि 2000 के बाद जो सेंसस हुआ उसमें देखा गया कि एक बच्चे की एजुकेशन, उसको बड़ा करने की जो भी कॉस्ट थी, इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग. बट इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि द चिल्ड्रन हु वर born in in a family, one child, they are less competitive. Okay, and people were not taking business risk, जिस वजह से चाइना की इकोनॉमी पे बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट पड़ रहा था. डेमोग्राफिक कंडीशन तो ठीक हुई, बट उसकी वजह से चाइना की इकोनॉमी पे बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ने लग गया. ओके, सो और फिर जैसे रूरल एरियाज़ थे उनमें फीमेल फेटिसाइड बढ़ने लग गया, बिकॉज इफ़ द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड बॉर्न इज़ अ गर्ल, फीमेल फेटिसाइड बढ़ा, लड़कियों को मार देते थे या फिर उन्हें ऑर्फनेज पे छोड़ देते थे, विच वॉज नॉट गुड इनफ. जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, जो सेंसस हुआ चाइना में भी इंडिया की तरह हर 10 साल में सेंसस का पूरा वो कराया जाता है. So they realized that there are 3.35 lakh men more than women. So you know how much this was creating an issue in China, and this was creating an issue in workforce also, because there were less women, less competition, and economy was going down. So gender imbalance was there, business no competitiveness between the individuals and etc. So in 2000 they realized that they need to curb this policy, and during certain meetings also they were thinking of stopping this one child policy. So in October 2015 the Communist Party allowed couples to have more than one children, like only 2, not more than that. Okay, and they also realized that this one child policy measure, it has controlled 4 crore births during these whole 1950 to like 2015. This has prevented 4 crore births in total. So after 2 child policy के बाद भी प्रॉब्लम्स फिर भी कम नहीं हुई, बिकॉज क्या हुआ कि एक सोशल नॉर्म बन गया था कि हाँ एक ही बच्चा होना चाहिए. बट स्टिल लोग some people were not favoring 2 children, and in most of the families when women want more than 1 children और 2 children और 3 children, उनके फर्टिलिटी राइट्स पे, रिप्रोडक्टिव राइट्स पे ये वॉल्यूशन था. तो ऐसे करते करते बहुत इशूज़ आने लगे, एंड बच्चों के एक्सपेंडिचर विच इज़ इंक्रीज टू $3 lakh पर चाइल्ड टिल द एज ऑफ द वेंट टू द कॉलेज. इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि इकोनॉमी पे इतना फ़र्क पड़ गया कि द फैमिलीज डोंट हैव इनफ मनी बिकॉज ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस ऑफ चाइना. So after that, what happened? China implemented three-child policy. Just now they are thinking of implementing, and they are also thinking to give incentive measures to the family who give birth to such child. So, but no specific statement has been given, and due to the number of change in factors from two child, so due to the children high cost, depleting sex ratio, declining fertility rate, China implementing this basically. So it is a good measure, no doubt, but they also are imposing some restrictions, because in rural areas what is happening कि वहाँ पे 3-4 बच्चों के लिए भी बोल दो, बट टिल नाउ वहाँ पे स्टिल कुछ ऐसी फैमिलीज हैं जहाँ पे 3 या 2 से ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो, एंड स्टिल दे आर नॉट टेकिंग प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स. सो गवर्नमेंट अभी सोच रही है इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने का, बिकॉज दे नो कि अगर रूरल एरियाज़ में लोगों ने 3 से ज़्यादा बच्चे कर लिए तो इस वजह से उनकी पॉपुलेशन फिर से बढ़ जाएगी. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द UN survey, they stated that by 2030 China's population will cross 2 billion, and after that it will deplete rapidly, which is creating a certain problems in the country. So this till now, so let's see, because there is no authentic rules and regulations till now, and they are still on the talking terms with how to implement this, how what will be the incentives. Nothing has been given as such. So we'll see when how they will do it. आगे की बातें ना. थैंक यू.